Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will talk about how to add a title, a meta title, and a meta description to your Webflow page. And yeah, let's jump right in. Why is it important to have those things? So the title and the meta description are basically telling the user, but also the search engine, what they will find on your website. And that's especially important because it's one of the main reasons when you are shown on the Google search results. So for example, for Magic Design here, this is an information that we are giving the search engine about what's happening on our website. And you want to make sure that you are also doing it for your website. And yeah, basically we want to show you for this small example of Vertical Hub, you can always try these things out by just going to a meta preview page, and I can just try that out now. And as we can see, we have no description, no title, nothing. So let's jump into the project, and we are always starting from the Pages tab here on the left and then go to the respective page we want to change it for. And as you can see here in the SEO settings, everything is empty so far. So what we are doing now is we have created this little description that we want to paste in. So in our case, this one, the best free stock videos. And then we want to also paste in the description besides the title. And now, as you can see, it's already showing the preview. There's another video about open graph images. So this is basically the information that you want to share on the socials that we can also have in here. And we can either have dedicated ones or just reuse the ones that we have for the SEO settings. And last but not least, the open graph image. That's basically the image that you will see once a website is shared on the socials. And we also want to grab something for that. So I uploaded an image for that. Go to the assets tab here. I can copy the URL, go back to my pages settings, paste in the URL here. And as you can see, now this is the preview of the whole thing. Now I will go to publish and let's see what happened. We will always use this like meta preview checker again, and we want to pass the metadata, and boom. Here we can see how it will look on Google. Here we will see how it will also once we share them. And yeah, that's a really, really cool thing to do. And you can obviously do this for every single page on your website. And you should also adapt it for every single page because, for example, the Google search engine will get a different information on your About Us page than on your page on your homepage, for example. So if you have any questions around this, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.